Are you a senior looking to embark on an unforgettable group travel experience? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing the top 10 must-know tips for senior group travel that will ensure your journey is smooth, enjoyable, and memorable. Whether you're planning a trip with friends, family, or a senior group tour, these tips will help you make the most of your adventure. From packing essentials to staying healthy on the road, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll delve into practical advice on how to plan, prepare, and navigate your way through group travel as a senior. Discover insider tips on saving money, staying safe, and maximizing your travel experience. So, if you're ready to make the most of your senior group travel adventures, stay tuned as we unveil the top 10 must-know tips that every senior traveler should keep in mind. Let's dive in. Number 10. Stay vigilant about personal belongings and be aware of common travel scams. As a senior traveler, it's crucial to prioritize the safety and security of your personal belongings. Keep a close eye on your bags, wallets, and important documents at all times to avoid falling victim to theft or scams. Familiarize yourself with common travel scams in your destination to stay one step ahead of potential threats. By staying vigilant and aware, you can protect yourself and your belongings while enjoying your travel experience. This tip ranks at number 10 because it forms the foundation of a safe and stress-free journey. Being proactive in safeguarding your possessions and staying informed about prevalent scams can prevent unfortunate incidents and ensure a smooth travel experience. While it may seem basic, this tip sets the tone for the rest of your travel preparations and helps you navigate unfamiliar environments with confidence. Remember, a little caution goes a long way in preserving your peace of mind during your senior group travels. Number 9. Be mindful of dietary restrictions and choose suitable dining options. When traveling as a senior, it's essential to consider your dietary needs and preferences to maintain your health and well-being. Pay attention to any food allergies or restrictions you may have and opt for dining establishments that can accommodate your requirements. By planning ahead and selecting suitable dining options, you can enjoy delicious meals without compromising your dietary needs. This tip secures the 9th spot on our list as it directly impacts your physical comfort and enjoyment during your travels. Making informed choices about where and what you eat can enhance your overall travel experience and prevent any potential health issues. By being mindful of your dietary restrictions, you can savor local cuisines while ensuring that your meals align with your nutritional needs. Remember, a well-balanced diet is key to staying energized and ready to explore all the wonders of your senior group travel adventures. Number 8. Stay connected with emergency contacts and have a plan in case of separation. As a senior traveler, it's crucial to prioritize safety and preparedness while exploring new destinations. Keep a list of emergency contacts handy, including family members, friends, and local authorities, in case of unforeseen circumstances. Additionally, establish a plan with your travel companions on what to do in case of separation to ensure a swift reunion and avoid unnecessary stress. This tip earns the 8th spot on our list due to its importance in maintaining peace of mind and security during your travels. By staying connected with emergency contacts and having a clear plan in place, you can swiftly address any unexpected situations and navigate challenges effectively. Being proactive in establishing communication protocols and reunion strategies sets the groundwork for a safe and organized travel experience. Remember, preparation is key to handling emergencies with confidence and ensuring a smooth journey for all members of your senior group. Number 7. Communicate openly with the group about expectations and preferences. Effective communication is key to a successful and harmonious group travel experience, especially for seniors. Discussing expectations, preferences, and potential concerns with your travel companions fosters understanding and helps create a cohesive itinerary that caters to everyone's needs. By openly sharing your thoughts and listening to others, you can ensure that the group dynamics remain positive and enjoyable throughout the journey. This tip claims the 7th spot on our list as it plays a vital role in promoting collaboration and mutual respect within the group. Clear communication about individual preferences and expectations allows for compromises and adjustments that benefit the entire group. By addressing potential conflicts or misunderstandings proactively, you can enhance the overall travel experience for all participants. Remember, open dialogue paves the way for a more enriching and fulfilling senior group travel adventure. Number 6. Ensure all travel documents are up to date and easily accessible. Before embarking on your senior group travel adventure, it's essential to verify that your passports, visas, identification cards, and any other necessary documents are current and readily available. Keeping your travel documents organized and easily accessible streamlines the check-in process, minimizes potential delays, and ensures a hassle-free journey from start to finish. Securing the 6th spot on our list, this tip underscores the importance of meticulous preparation and attention to detail when it comes to travel documentation. Having up-to-date and easily accessible documents not only facilitates smooth transitions between destinations, but also serves as a safety net in case of emergencies. By prioritizing document management, you can navigate airport security, border crossings, and accommodation check-ins with ease, allowing you to focus on enjoying the sights and experiences of your senior group travels. Remember, preparedness is key to a stress-free and enjoyable journey. Number 5. Stay flexible and allow for rest periods in the itinerary. While exploring new destinations during senior group travel can be exciting, it's essential to strike a balance between adventure and relaxation. Staying flexible with your schedule and incorporating rest periods into your itinerary ensures that you have time to recharge, unwind, and fully appreciate the experiences along the way. By listening to your body's needs and pacing yourself, you can make the most of your travels without feeling overwhelmed or fatigued. Earning the 5th position on our list, this tip emphasizes the significance of self-care and mindfulness during senior group travel. By prioritizing rest and flexibility in your itinerary, you can prevent burnout, enhance your overall well-being, and maintain a positive outlook throughout the journey. Allowing for downtime also enables you to savor the moments, connect with your fellow travelers, and create lasting memories. Remember, a well-balanced itinerary that includes rest periods is key to a fulfilling and rejuvenating travel experience. Research and choose senior-friendly activities and attractions. When planning your senior group travel itinerary, it's essential to conduct thorough research and select activities and attractions that cater to the needs and interests of older travelers. Opting for senior-friendly options ensures that everyone in the group can fully participate and enjoy the experiences without encountering unnecessary physical challenges or limitations. By choosing activities that are accessible, engaging, and suitable for seniors, you can create a memorable and inclusive travel itinerary that caters to diverse preferences and abilities. Securing the 4th position on our list, this tip highlights the importance of thoughtful planning and consideration for the well-being of all travelers. Selecting senior-friendly activities and attractions enhances the overall travel experience by promoting comfort, enjoyment, and participation for everyone in the group. By prioritizing inclusivity and accessibility in your itinerary, you can create a harmonious and enriching journey that resonates with all members of your senior travel group. Remember, a well-rounded itinerary that caters to senior needs ensures a fulfilling and enjoyable travel experience for all. Claiming the 3rd spot on our list, it's crucial to pack necessary medications and copies of prescriptions when preparing for senior group travel. Ensuring you have access to your required medications throughout the journey is vital for maintaining your health and well-being. Additionally, having copies of your prescriptions can be invaluable in case of emergencies or if you need to refill your medications while abroad. Packing necessary medications and prescription copies not only safeguards your health, but also provides peace of mind knowing that you are equipped to manage any medical needs that may arise. By taking proactive steps to organize and secure your medications, you can enjoy your travels with confidence and focus on creating lasting memories with your fellow travelers. Remember, health is wealth, and proper medication management is key to a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Securing the second position on our list, consider accessibility and mobility needs of all group members. When planning senior group travel, it's essential to take into account the diverse accessibility and mobility requirements of all participants. Ensuring that your itinerary, accommodations, and activities are inclusive and cater to varying needs can enhance the overall travel experience for everyone. By proactively addressing accessibility concerns and providing necessary accommodations, you create a welcoming and supportive environment that allows all group members to fully participate and enjoy the journey. By prioritizing accessibility and mobility needs, you demonstrate respect and care for your fellow group members, fostering a sense of unity and camaraderie throughout the trip. Creating a travel experience that accommodates diverse requirements promotes a sense of belonging and ensures that every participant can engage in the activities and attractions with ease and comfort. Remember, thoughtful planning that considers accessibility enhances the overall enjoyment and satisfaction of your senior group travel adventure. Claiming the top spot on our list, plan ahead and book accommodations in advance. One of the most crucial aspects of ensuring a smooth and enjoyable senior group travel experience is meticulous planning and securing accommodations ahead of time. By booking your lodging in advance, you can avoid last-minute stress, secure the best options that cater to your group's needs, and guarantee a comfortable stay throughout your journey. Planning ahead allows you to choose accommodations that offer senior-friendly amenities, convenient locations, and any special requirements that your group may need. By prioritizing early booking and thorough planning, you set the foundation for a seamless and stress-free trip, allowing you to focus on creating cherished memories with your fellow travelers. Booking accommodations in advance not only provides peace of mind, but also ensures that you have a comfortable and welcoming home base during your explorations. Remember, strategic planning and early reservations are key to a memorable and rewarding senior group travel experience. As we wrap up our exploration of the top 10 must-know tips for senior group travel, it's clear that meticulous planning and thoughtful consideration are essential for a successful and memorable journey. From booking accommodations in advance to prioritizing accessibility, needs, and packing necessary medications, each tip plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable travel experience for all group members. Remember, by staying flexible, communicating openly, and researching senior-friendly activities, you can create a harmonious itinerary that caters to diverse preferences and abilities. Whether you're embarking on a group tour or planning a trip with friends and family, these tips will help you navigate the joys of travel with ease and confidence. Check out this video for the best places to visit this year for seniors, and don't forget to subscribe. Bon voyage!